So to add auto caption to a video in CapCut, we have to go to the text, we have to select the video, and we have to select auto caption. Right here we can select a language, and now I'm going to click on this create button. Now as you can see, we have all these subtitles. We can select a subtitle, we can change the style of that subtitle, we can increase the font style, and now check this out. Now if you want to edit your caption, we can select a caption, we can go to the captions, and right here as you can see guys, we can double click and we can correct or we can edit these subtitle. Now we can select a subtitle, we can go to the text, and we can also change the font style, and we can change all these settings as well. Now if you want to animate these subtitles, we can select all these subtitles, we can go to the animation, and in animation guys, as you can see, we have several animation. So we have typewriter animation, and now as you can see, if I play this video, all subtitles will appear like this. So we can select all these subtitles, we can go to the animation, and we can change the animation as well if you want to. You can also increase the duration of the animation, we can select all these subtitles, go to the animation, and right here we can increase the duration of these subtitles. Let's change this to this one, and now if I play this video, all the subtitles will appear like this. Now if you want to change an individual subtitle, then we can select that subtitle, we can uncheck apply to all, and we can change the style of that subtitle. And now if I play this video, as you can see, all the other subtitles will remain the same except this one. And if you want to apply this style to all these subtitles, then we can check apply to all, and now this style will apply to other subtitles as well. So to add auto caption to a video, go to the Runway ML, and once you log in, let's go to the projects. And in projects, we can create a new project. We can select video composition. So this is an online video editor, so we have to upload the asset. I have this video, I'm going to drag this video in my timeline. Now we have to select the video, we have to go to the subtitle, and now we have to select a language, and now we have to start in order to generate auto caption for this video. Now we have the subtitle. Now we can select the video, we can go to the subtitle, and we can edit the subtitle. So as you can see, it got my name wrong, so I'm going to add a space, and I'm going to also change the color of the subtitle. Let's change the color of the background to maybe white. Now we change the fill and the background of the subtitle, and now check this out. All the subtitle is now changed to this style. Now we can select the video, go to the subtitle, and I'm going to change this to white. Let's change the background to black. Now we can also click here, and we can also select preset. So as you can see, these are all the preset. We can select this preset as well. We can also select the subtitle, we can open motion effects, we can add motion in, we have fade, we have swipe, and we have typewriter. So now if I play this video, as you can see, now we have this type of subtitle. So to add caption for a video in Clipchamp, we have to create a new project. Now we have this media. Now we can drag a video in this media pool, and now we have to drag this video in timeline as well. Now we can select this video, we can go to this captions, and now we can turn on auto caption. We can select a language, and now we can turn on auto caption. And now it is currently generating caption for this video. And now if I play this video, as you can see guys, we have all these subtitles. Now we can edit these subtitles as well. So as you can see, I'm going to edit my name here. And now guys, if I preview this video, as you can see guys, we have all these captions for this video. So I found this easy way to create automatic subtitle without even installing any third-party software. So the first step is we can go to the deliver page, and we can select audio only. Now if you go to the audio, we can change the format to wave. If you have a multiple tracks, if you have your audio in track number 2, then we can change this to all track, and we can change the track name to number 2. But I have only one track, and this track name is audio 1, so I'm going to select bus. Now let's add this to render queue, and we can render this audio. Now open the browser and search for runwayml.com. Once you log in, we have 3 projects. So I'm going to create a new project, go to the video composition, and now I'm going to click here, upload, and now we have to upload the audio. So this way we won't have to wait for an hour for a video to upload, so we can only upload the audio. Now I'm going to drag my audio in timeline, and now we can select the audio, and we can go to the subtitle and we can select language and we can start, and now it will automatically create a subtitle for this audio. Now we have these subtitles, we can select the audio, go to the subtitle and we can copy this subtitle. We can go to the dimension resolve, go to the titles, and if you scroll down we have subtitles. So I'm going to drag this subtitle in timeline, select the subtitle, I'm going to paste my subtitle. Now if you go to the track, we can change the color of the subtitle, we can add a shadow and we can add a background. Now we can trim the subtitle, we can go to the audio waveform, we can select this subtitle, click on this add new, it will add a subtitle right here. We can copy the second one, paste that subtitle right here. And now as you can see, my name is Faizan and in this video, so I'm going to cut, I'm going to show, press Ctrl X. Now we can select the subtitle, we can click on this add new, it will add that subtitle right here. We can paste this, let's copy this and we can paste that subtitle right here. How we can, and now from add captioning, let's press Ctrl X to cut. Let's cut this. So now as you can see guys, we are done. So now if I type these subtitle manually, it will take me 10 to 15 minutes, but now it will take me 3 to 5 minutes to add this subtitle. So this is an easy way to add caption to a video using DaVinci Resolve.